Over the past several months since I turned the adult age of 18 years old, we have tried so many new, risky, and probably stupid ways you can potentially make money online. And well, this video is no exception because I am going to be taking $500 in cold hard cash and putting it into the website HypeDrop. Many of you guys might already be familiar with this website from YouTubers such as Jake Paul and Ricegum promoting it to little kids a few years ago. But in case you guys have no idea what HypeDrop is, it's basically an online mystery box gambling website where you can win prizes such as sneakers, electronics, or even cash. Each of the boxes on this website range in price from 99 cents on the low end all the way to $250 on the high end. Also, of course, inside each of these mystery boxes, you can either get a really good prize worth 10 times what you paid for it, or you can get a really bad prize, which is more likely to happen, where you basically waste all your money. As an example, this first 99-cent mystery box right here has a bunch of different prizes in it, and I can either get a $3,000 pair of Yeezys, or I can get a bottle opener worth basically nothing. Let's go ahead and test our luck. Are you kidding me, guys? I won a keychain. This game is literally rigged, and I swear if we don't make our $500 back, I'm literally going to go to a public indoor pool and jump inside the pool fully clothed. With that being said, let's get into this video. Getting right into things on this sketchy gambling website, I want to get started by opening some of the lower tier mystery boxes that this website has to offer. I want our $500 to last more than like 2 or 3 mystery boxes, so we're going to get started by opening some boxes priced under $10. The first box we're going to go ahead and open up goes by the name of the tech box. It says here we have a 5% chance of profiting, and the reason I really wanted to open this box up is I want this iPad Pro right here. We have a 0.01% chance of actually getting it, but hey, a chance is a chance, so let's test our luck.
So you're telling me there's a chance?
Are you kidding me? We won a flash drive. Now guys, we spent $10 on this mystery box. I'm gonna go ahead and sell this flash drive for $2, so we basically took an $8 loss on this one. The second of the 3 low tier boxes I'm gonna go ahead and open up is another box for $9.99, and it goes by the name the camera box. I thought this one would be applicable for me to open up since I'm a YouTuber. I like cameras, and it's always nice to have more equipment to film videos with. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. We got a mug lens. We're gonna sell that for $2. We took another $8 loss. The third and final low tier box we're gonna go ahead and crack open digitally is a $4.99 watch box with a 5% chance of profitability. It says here that we have a 0.0005% chance of getting a $20,000 bust down Rolex. So let's go for it. We just got a $1 watch, which means we took another $4 loss on a low tier mystery box. Literally every single one of those boxes lost us money. So right now it's looking like I'm gonna have to jump in the pool. Before we get into the rest of these more expensive mystery boxes, please go down to the top link down below in the description. Get your free stock on Robinhood if you have not already, because guys, I don't have a sponsor for this video, and literally all $500 for this video's budget is coming out of yours truly's pocket. So I'm not trying to go broke, and you guys signing up for Robinhood would make both me and you guys free money, as we both get free stocks. Now that you guys have gotten your free stock on Robinhood, it is time to open this next mystery box called the watch box. It says here we have a 20% chance of profiting, and we also have a higher chance of getting that bust down Rolex I have always dreamed of. So with that being said, let's open this $20 mystery box. Are you kidding me? I literally got a $4 watch from spending $20. I think that's the fastest way I've ever lost 16 bucks. The second mid-tier mystery box we're going to go ahead and open up is pricing in a little bit higher than the last one at $24.99. I really like its name, Clout Juice. I honestly have no idea what kind of prizes we could potentially get from this box, and I'm gonna open it without even looking what prizes we could get, because why not? We just got a face mask worth $5, so we lost another 20 bucks. So far, things with this mystery box gambling website are definitely not going too well, but my mom didn't raise a quitter, and I'm obviously going to follow through and spend all $500 like I said I would on this website. So this next box we have is a Bape 10% profit box. It says we could get prizes all the way from a camouflage Bape shirt worth $200 to a bear brick, which is worth like 80 bucks, to a phone case, which is worth like $30, it says right here. So let's open it. We just got a Bape phone case worth a grand total of $6. I would have thought by now that we would have made profit on some of these boxes, but no, this website literally seems to be a straight up scam, and I'm making this video to warn you guys. The last mid-tier mystery box I'm going to go ahead and open up on the scam website is an Adidas box because, well, I like the Adidas brand. It's a nice German brand, and hopefully we can get a good product for once. We just got an Adidas hat worth $8. Honestly, I looked at the prizes before this, and this was like the one thing I absolutely didn't want. I know I sound like a spoiled kid on Christmas, but I would think if I'm spending like $100 some so far, I would have gotten at least one product I would have thought about keeping. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this entire video has come down to this moment right here. We are currently sitting at $387.28 in our HypeDrop balance. And well, hopefully we can make all of the money back we've lost so far in this challenge, because I'm really not trying to jump in a public pool fully clothed. So starting things off, we have this streetwear 20% profit box, and I'm hoping that we profit. I really hope so, because we're low on money right now. We just got a $10 Travis Scott mask. Are you freaking kidding me? Next up, we have a Hype sneakers box for $99.99, and I'm honestly super excited about this one because it says here that the worst sneaker we could potentially get is a pair of black and gold Adidas Ultra Boost, which are going for upwards of $150 on StockX in certain sizes, and I'm pretty sure you can exchange whatever size shoe you get on HypeDrop for the size you actually want. So if we are able to get this shoe, which we have a 25% chance of getting it, HypeDrop will finally be giving us some profit in this challenge. So let's go ahead and open this mystery box up. Let's go! So I just checked HypeDrop and I figured out that you aren't allowed to exchange the sizes of shoes you get on this website, which is super stupid. I have no idea why you wouldn't be able to, but because we got a size 10.5, that's only worth $100 on StockX, which means we would lose a fat $12 on this mystery box item because of the StockX shipping fees. I am honestly so frustrated with this stupid website right now that if I told you guys what I really thought about it, this video would be demonetized, and unfortunately I can't have that happen because, well, I'm gonna need the ad revenue on this one. The final mystery box we are going to go ahead and crack open on this website is an Off-White 40% profit mystery box. I am honestly starting to think that them writing 40% profit or 20% profit is just a load of crap they say to get you to buy the mystery box. But hey guys, it says here on this mystery box that the worst item we could potentially get is a pair of Off-White sneakers worth anywhere from $80 to $130 on StockX. So worst case, we lose like $120, which is pretty bad, but hey, what do you even expect from this website at this point? We got a woman's Off-White jacket. We can sell it for $40, but I bet it's worth more on StockX, so let me look up what it's worth right now. I just looked it up, and this Off-White woman's jacket is going for anywhere between $150 and $250 on eBay, so if we average all of the sold listings out, it's worth about $200, so after eBay fees, we just lost a fat $25 on this mystery box. I just did some absolute intense math in my head, and I realized that by just opening mystery boxes on this scam HypeDrop website, we managed to turn our $500 initial investment into a fat $310.31. Can we just get a round of applause for my absolute stupidity and just how crappy this website is? Like seriously, with other gambling websites, you at least have a chance to make money, whereas with this one, it's just a straight up scam. I don't even know how this is legal right now. With that being said, it is time to do what I promised you guys I would do at the start of this video, and that is if we don't make our $500 initial investment back, I have to go to the public pool in my area and jump in fully clothed. So let's go. We just pulled up to the indoor pool, and well guys, before we go inside and jump in the pool fully clothed, please be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed this video, and also go down to the link in the description below and join the Financial Wolf Discord if you have not already. With that being said, let's go inside and jump in the pool. Long story short, guys, the indoor pool place wouldn't let us go inside because my filmer Danielle's not 18 years old, and apparently you need parental permission to go inside and swim in that place, which is really stupid. The employee who was helping us inside was literally the biggest I've met in a while, so I didn't even want to go in alone, and I told him I was never going back to the gym and he should cancel my membership because that guy was pissing me off. Anyways, guys, with that all being said, please be sure to comment down below some other punishments I should do for failing this challenge, and I will be sure to do that in my next vlog. Peace out.